Hi guys, it's me, and today my whole entire grandma's like flooded outside. Like we didn't have school today because I can show you like the whole road. It's like horrible, literally horrible. As you can tell, this like flipping road is completely flooded. As you can tell, my aunt's car's back there. Then my grandpa is getting the things out of the house.
I said get out of the window. You're calling Emily Trainer. Are you calling Emily Trainer? Yeah.
Yeah, it's like flooded. That's only the back. I'll show you guys the back.
Right,
that's only the roads that get head to the house. No, that's my big giant coffee. That can stay back here. My four-wheeler's getting flooded too. What the heck? Get your A1 back in here, Aunt Bella. Get in here, now. You're gonna flood yourself. This is the whole place. This is my whole yard. It's like flooded. My four-wheeler right there. It's like flooded. This whole yard is like flooded. Literally flooded. Okay, just show you the back where the creek is. Come on! Let's go! Fine. See you out there. Hi. This is the back. See? The whole place is flooded. Hey, Grandma. Grandpa's...
You might not get through.
Grandpa's gonna,
It's flooded all the way up through there until you get up to the over there. I don't know.
Grandpa's gonna use his, lose his, thing down there. His, I forget. Shovel.
Oh, I know.
I'm gonna go tell him. Be right back. See, the whole place is flooded. Dude, I can tell you why I didn't have school this morning. Flooded. Be right back. Tell Grandpa. Grandpa! You're gonna lose your shovel out round back. Your shovel's around back. You're gonna lose it. It's gold. I think it's a shovel. I don't know what it is. It's around back by the window. Baby, you can't go out there. It's flooded.
Same thing I can tell you, Thelma's try or you have to stay here. See how far it lets you go. I don't know. If not, you'll have to turn around and come back. I can't handle this fucking screaming shit. Like that's how she does up there at the apartment too. She don't get her way about something. Terrible.
As you can see, everything's like flooded. We're like trapped in the house right now. That's the road. Up there's my bus stop. Where's that?
Okay, Skylar, you didn't even call your mom to see me come up there.
I'm gonna call her.
Well, you need to do it.
Where's the phone at?
Because if you don't get out of here, you're not going to make it.
Where's the phone at?
Crying.
Where's... I found your phone, Grandma. I'm gonna call my mom. Leah! We gotta get ready going because the whole roads are flooding. It's getting bad. If we want to make it back to the house. What? Hold on, I'm calling my mom and see if I'm allowed to. Dang it! I'm just fetching a pee.
Skylar, ask Mom if I can.
I doubt she'll let you.
Just ask.
Stay so you can see your girlfriend tonight.
No, just ask her.
Mom, can I stay with Aunt Thelma tonight so I can help her?
No, you're coming home to help us today. You and Brighton both.
The house is... Because Aunt Thelma needs help because the roads are flooded and we can't get out probably. The whole entire roads are flooded up here. Like the whole entire yard's flooded all the way up to the fence. Almost.
So you're going to come back in a minute. I'm waiting for the phone charger. I've done try to get a hold of your grandma and I think they're going to respond to me.
Yeah, but Aunt Thelma needs help.
I needed you and Brighton today. My fucking house is done and it's fucking flooded down here too.
Yeah, but we... I wanted to stay with her tonight, though.
I need one of y'all to be snappy.
And she's getting ready to leave. Grandma! Mommy wants you because she has the baby and everything like that. And the... Well, it's dead!
Bring the phone to her.